Okay, guys, okay. Brandon, Evan, and Jason are going to be going way down that slope, okay? I'll see if I can get a good signal here. No, that's not good at all. Okay, I'll be zooming in and then I'll slowly get down. The one in the blue is Jason. One in the white is Brandon. The one in red is Evan. Okay, Brandon, you go first. Hurry. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh crap! Oh crap! No! No! Oh yeah! Brandon made it! Okay, you also, Evan! Oh my gosh.
My gosh.
I mean Jason. No, that is Evan. Okay, yay, Evan! Woohoo!
Oh yeah,
Okay, you last, Jason.
I can't squeal because my tire would break, so that's why I didn't squeal.
Go, you speed demon! Oh my gosh! Oh, I should have zoomed out all the way.
Let me see it. Let me see.
Oh, okay.